Evening, Jane. Well, I just wanted to thank everyone. An all-nighter is one thing, but an all-nighter on purge night is another whole level of commitment, and I can't thank you enough for doing this. It's unfortunate, but we had no choice. Sorry about bad timing.
No, David, please.
As you know, Jane is much smarter than me. That's why I hired her. She makes me look good. But sometimes a little dumbing down can't hurt to clarify things, and I'm good at dumbing, so here goes. You'll all get larger bonuses if you close the Chiho deal tonight. All of you. We do what we do for money, and you'll make much more if you deliver. Great, I love it. Let's get to work. I'll touch base later. Jane, the room is yours. I'll get out of your way now.
I forgot that you were the eavesdropping type, David.
You know I'm always watching and listening, Jane. Talk later. Keep me posted.
Okay, let's get to it.
Ha ha ha.